Whoop, there goes that train. So hey camera, so right now we're up north of the Paw, Manitoba, Canada. Yep, the PAS, Manitoba. Train heading to Flin, Flon, Manitoba. Yup, they're leaving the Paw shore today. Train number 3840 and 1083. Yup. So today it's Thursday, September the 4th, 2025. Yup, and the time 10:10 a.m. Yup. So yeah, skip the video now. See you in the next one. Peace. The guy that likes trains out.